In this video, I will show you how to cancel QuickBooks account. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your account. So simply click on your profile picture and then simply click on manage your account. And then here you're gonna find all the information as you can see. And what you're gonna have to do, so let me enter my password really fast. And then you're gonna have to simply click on continue. Now the next step is to simply wait until this loads up, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the delete page. So you're gonna have to simply delete this account. So let's wait until this loads up. So as you can see, we have our account right here. So if we go to data and privacy, we can see that we can delete our data. So as you can see, you have different options. So you have the option to cancel a subscription, or if you want, you can simply choose any of these reasons here. As you can see, click continue, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply re-enter the password or the verification code and then simply continue, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.